Yeah, and if you're not say 6, no girl don't want you. Bobby not the Oxy, I mean not the Prada. Psst, running, you know, hear me the call you.
I use baby powder because it's the summer. We sweat and it helps absorb moisture, which helps a lot. Like much better.
I actually went to my dermatologist because with the ingrown hairs it leaves dark spots. It's so frustrating. And they recommended this thing and it works really well.
What was it?
It's a prescription cream. It's like hydroquinone and tretinoin, like these kind. So the first time you waxed someone, like, was it someone you knew?
Yeah, it was someone I knew, it was a best friend.
Everyone says they're best friend.
Yeah. She let me wax her. I did it, and
Holy Jesus. What is that?
actually, it wasn't
What
cool. It
the
took me like
fuck
2
is
hours.
that?
It was actually terrible.
Did she cry?
Yeah, she cried. And she ended up, but she was not happy with it.
She wasn't?
No, my first wax ever.
Wow.
That was years ago. Like, I had no training. I just bought a kit, and I was like, I'm on.
She must have really trusted you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of warm.
It's kind of warm.
Yeah.
That's what I thought a little bit.
Like,
I do mine myself. And it's annoying.
yeah.
I don't really like it, but
Yeah. That's why I'm like, I need to come in and get it done
It's
by
annoying.
somebody else.
doing it yourself is so annoying. But like I'm one of the fastest in the land right now.
That's good.
So when I have other people do my waxes, I always like find myself like being like, can you do this or can you do this or can you hold my skin like this? Can you?
Oh my gosh, it's scary. What I found really hard was doing the butt strip
The
part.
butt is very hard.
That was
You
hard.
have to figure out how to get into. To do
Yeah.
a good butt strip is crazy.
But when I first got it done, it kind of surprised me how little it hurted. Like, I was expecting it to hurt the most.
No, it hurts the least. Yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, the first time I went to the Brazilian Wax Center, and
They
they're
didn't
terrible.
let you record, did they?
No, they didn't. Yeah, they didn't let me record. And then after I left, there was like some hair left over, and I got the most ingrown hair bumps ever. Even like, I never got that much from shaving.
Really?
And I got so much from that lady.
Well, a lot of times with them, they're
It's kind of hot now.
the top.
Yeah.
I'll turn it down. They're very, very new waxers. They don't make that much money. I used to work for
Really? How much are they?
$8 an hour.
What?
$8 an hour, a 5% commission.
That's
and
well
then
below
tips.
minimum wage.
Yeah, but they're considered tipped employees. Did you receive tips?
Wow. I never thought about that. So I never thought about that.
Yeah, they're most of them are brand new cosmetologists and brand new waxers who are getting jobs in the industry. Their turnover rate is extremely high because of that.
I can imagine. I've
That's the lip. A lot of people don't like the lips, but it's necessary.
yeah, it very much so is.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
A little spicy.
Oh Jesus. Okay. What I like about waxing though is that the pain does not last. So
I lowered the temperature about 10 degrees for you.
Okay, thank you.
Is that a little bit better?
Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, I just think about the end result.
Oh yeah. It's pretty quick too.
Yeah. So this is hard wax, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I prefer hard wax. I mean, I know how to do waxing, sugaring, all of it. Hard wax is my favorite because I feel like it's the fastest. And anything that concerns pain, I think speed is of the essence. Time is of the essence.
That's true.
I don't like prolonged pain. Sugaring is pretty nice too, but it just takes a long time.
I heard sugaring is better like when it comes to like helping with your skin overall. That's what I heard.
I wouldn't say one is better or worse. They have their pros and cons. Sugaring is natural, you know, so I will say it is sugar. So there's that. It's sugar, water, and lemon juice mixed together, you know, and what that helps do is it seeps into your pores when they pull it. So it just helps remove that top of your
dead
skin.
skin.
It really helps you fully, and that dead skin comes off with the sugar as well. So that's very, very beneficial.
That's
Not against sugaring at all. It's just a Brazilian wax. Brazilian wax with hard wax, for me, takes anywhere from, I don't know, 7 to 10 minutes, 7 to 15. For sugar, it's maybe like 30 to 45.
Oh.
It is a significant difference for a painful service. And the method that it's used is when it hurts going on and it hurts coming off as well.
Really? For the sugar?
Because it's like a ball of sugar, so it's like you're rolling it on the skin against the grain and you're pulling down. So you're like pulling the hair up and then you're pulling it down. It's quite uncomfortable. Did all the big stuff. Now I'm just kind of touching up any little hair that might have missed. And then we'll be out of here.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
Are you doing your butt too?
Yes.
The biggest one.
That's funny.
They cannot take pain, they scream, they make noise.
Do you find that you mainly wax like your back? Like what areas of your body do you mainly
Their
wax?
back, their chest. That's the most common male wax. But I do get those manzillions every once in a while.
Yeah. I have a friend, he likes to do a full body wax. I'm like, how do you do that?
Yeah. I guess it makes things feel different, like the skin on skin contact, especially for very hairy men.